Zoho Sites Website Builder Review Watch Before Using. Zoho Sites Website Builder Review Watch Before Using. You might think building a website requires coding or hiring expensive designers. Most people get this wrong. But here's why Zoho Sites makes it surprisingly simple. Zoho Sites is a drag-and-drop website builder designed for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. It offers customizable templates, mobile-friendly layouts, and integrated features like blogs, forums, and e-commerce. The surprising truth is that Zoho Sites allows users to build professional-looking websites without touching a single line of code. Its intuitive editor and pre-built blocks make designing fast and easy, even for beginners. Zoho Sites integrates with other Zoho products like CRM, email marketing, and analytics, giving businesses a unified digital platform. You can also connect custom domains, set up SSL, and optimize SEO right from the builder. Most people assume DIY websites look amateur. With Zoho Sites, you can achieve polished results while keeping costs low and timelines short. It's best for small businesses, service providers, and startups that want an online presence quickly and efficiently. If you want a reliable, all-in-one website builder with professional features, Zoho Sites is worth exploring. Subscribe to the channel for more website and business tool reviews.